Smart cities are populated with huge amounts of information. Messages on social networks, webcam streams, and data from weather and sensor stations are shared with the public. When a disaster hits the city, such information can contain precious clues to complement the work of public forces that are deployed on the field to save people's lives. Additional information is created as the disaster unfolds. Although crowdsourced information is often too unstructured and informal to be timely used during the acute phase of an emergency, it can unveil critical situations which are not visible from the rescuer's point of view. Therefore, after the acute phase of a disaster is concluded, how can we exploit information from different sources to learn from what happened and perform better in the future? In crisis management, debriefings are common venues for collaborative reflection and learning. During a debriefing, protocols and reports from field agents are reviewed and compared with other information sources. For example, noise sensor data from neighborhoods and tweets from citizens tagged with panic. The outcome can be puzzling. It can be difficult to make sense of conflicting information that gets decontextualized from the physical environment to which it is linked. Our solution consists in bringing the debriefing out of the office and into the place where the crisis unfolded. In this way, we expect the reflection process to be grounded in a context that helps to make sense of the information and reflect on alternative paths of actions. In this video, we present CroMAR, an augmented reality browser to aid reflection in crisis management. CroMAR augments the physical space with information captured during an emergency. The information is overlaid in the exact location in which it was generated. CroMAR provides support for navigation in the physical space. Information is represented in pop-ups that contain the distance from the viewer, the type of information, and the information source. The augmented reality modality is complemented by a map-based visualization, useful to preview from the distance and to navigate unsafe zones. With the timeline, CroMAR provides help in debriefing events as they unfold in time, facilitating the identification of correlations and discrepancies in the information sources. Information is grouped in layers that can be selectively activated, overlapped, and compared to customize the navigation experience. CroMAR is extendable, and new layer sources can be built in future releases. CroMAR allows to capture reflection outcomes, notes, and recommendations using a simple note editor. Notes can be shared among colleagues. CroMAR keeps track of the reflection path among the notes. This becomes a trail for others to follow. At any time, it is possible to start a video conference session to update colleagues about the findings gathered on the field.